On behalf of Dr. Doug Willms and our team at the Learning Bar, we'd like to thank everyone who attended Insights Alberta. 80 educators from across the province joined us to hear how their colleagues use OurSCHOOL survey results to build a data-driven culture. Some of our presenters provided short interviews to showcase how OurSCHOOL data can inform school planning.
The presentation today focused specifically on how do we as a system and how do we as a site ask repeated questions of the survey data that we received through the OurSCHOOL results. Specifically, how do we empower our teachers, our leaders, and the structures within our system to meet the needs of what our students are telling us so that we create a sense of urgency, but not panic.
We're going to focus on how we use the OurSCHOOL survey to inform the policy and the impact of policies in Fort McMurray Public School District. We're finding that the OurSCHOOL survey and the responses from students are informing how we're doing in promoting healthy schools, how we're doing in promoting safe and caring schools, as well as removing barriers to mental health and the sense of belonging for students.
Today I'm discussing the importance of student engagement with the OurSCHOOL data. So the way we see this is a hand-in-hand collaboration. So it's data division level, our principals, but most importantly it's our students. So our high school students came together at each of our district high schools, and during that time they went through the data, they were walked through it, they were explained the measures, the questions that they were asked, and then our students were able to identify for them what were the things that they really wanted to target for improvement for their school. We want to see change in our schools. We want our students not just to have a voice through the OurSCHOOL data, but also to use the OurSCHOOL data to evoke an actual change.
Part of building a data culture from St. Albert Public Schools perspective is around engaging student voice at the district levels. So this year we formed a student I-Lead engagement team. We have 12 representatives from all of our junior and senior high schools. And so that team have come together and we filtered out some of our school survey results. So we looked at relevance, interest, and the anxiety measure and wanted to talk to them about that. We're bringing together 100 students from across the division to talk more about those results and what it means to them.
Engaging student voice is part of our decision making, is part of our work with our adults. They help us to make sense out of what our data is saying, what it might mean, and ultimately what to do about it. So that we're making sure that we're not only engaging the students, but we're actually using what they generate to inform our actions.
If you were unable to attend and would like to hear the presentations in full, please click the link to access them.